Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Maria Rosin Ilipayon from BPAD 2021, and my topic is all about reporting and disseminating. Reporting and disseminating refers to the process of documenting and sharing the results, findings, and insights gained from evaluating a project. This involves creating comprehensive reports, presentation, or other materials that effectively communicate the evaluation findings to relevant stakeholders. So, basically daw po ang reporting ito po yung process ng pagdo-document o yung pagre-report mo or pagbibigay ng result or findings or ano man anything na pwedeng makuha or nag-evaluate ng isang project. Once the evaluation is complete, you need to record the results. To do so, you'll create a project evaluation report, a document that provides lessons for the future. Deliver your report to the stakeholders to keep them updated on the projects. So, ayon, once your evaluation is completed na, need mo po i-record yung result. So, to do so, you need to create a project evaluation report. So, evaluation report po yung kailangan nyong gawin so that your stakeholders po keep updated sila sa progress ng project. How are you going to disseminate the report? There might be a protocol for this already established in your organization. Perhaps the stakeholders prefer a meeting to get the result face to face, or maybe they prefer PDFs with easy to read charts and graphs. Make sure that you know your audience and tailor your report to them. Sabi daw, how are you going to disseminate the report? With this, minsan may mga protocol na tayo pwedeng sabihan. May mga stakeholders na ang prefer po nila is meeting in a face-to-face. Pero naman mga gusto yung binabasa lang nila yung chart dahil napaka-busy nila. So, make sure daw, alam mo daw kung sino yung audience mo. So, alam mo yun, anong seats para sa kanila. Benefits of project evaluation. Project evaluation is always advisable and it can bring a wide array of benefits to your organization. As noted above, there are many aspects that can be measured through the project evaluation process. It's up to you and your stakeholders to decide the most critical factors to consider. So, ito daw po may mga benefits daw po ang project evaluation. So, una-una, advisable siya kasi nag-bring siya ng wide array benefits sa isang organization. Better project management. So, pangalawa is better project management naman daw po. It helps you easily find areas of improvement when it comes to managing your cost, task, resource, and time. So, nagkakaroon ka ng gumaganda daw siya for project management kasi nalalaman mo agad kung ano yung mga dapat i-improve, tapos na mga pagmamanage ng cost or pagmamanage ng mga kailangan gawin, resources, and time. So, next one is it improves team performance. Project evaluation allows you to keep track of your team's performance and increases accountability. So, ayun nga, natatrack mo din yung mga performance ng yung team. And then, syempre, dahil nga na-evaluate mo sila, dumadagdag yung accountability nila. Dumadagdag. Having a good relationship with stakeholder is key to success as a project manager. Creating a project evaluation report is very important to keep them updated. Syempre, lahat naman tayo kahit lalo na yung mga financer or yung mga may, kung kaninong pera yun, they really want it to be updated kasi dahil nga pera nila yun, parang mapapanatig sila 'pag updated sila. So, eto po po pala ang aking, Bible verse. He has made everything beautiful in its time. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 11. So, with this, um, po, um, ginawa niya daw ang lahat na maganda sa sarili nitong time. So basically, hangga't hindi niya po ito time, kung hangga't hindi 'to yung will ni Lord, for me hindi po siya gaganda kahit kahit na anong tawag diyan, kahit na anong gawin mo, basta hindi yun will ni Lord, hindi po siya magsa-success. So ayun lang po, thank you.